What if I told you that you could live in a stunning home with separate living spaces connected by an outdoor breezeway, park your cars in an attached garage, and pay $0 in electricity bills every single month? I'm talking about the Dogtrot Barndominium with off-grid solar power. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much it costs to build one and how much money you'll save every year. This might be the smartest housing decision you make in 2026. But here's the thing, most people get the solar sizing completely wrong and end up still paying the utility company. Stick with me because I'm breaking down the real numbers, the actual costs, and the honest truth about going off-grid with a Dogtrot design. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos where I break down real building costs and money-saving strategies for alternative homes. What is a Dogtrot Barndominium? Let's start with the Dogtrot design, because this isn't your typical barndominium. A Dogtrot Barndominium is a traditional Southern architectural style that dates back to the 19th century, and it's making a massive comeback in 2026. The design features two separate living structures connected by a central breezeway, or covered hallway that's open to the outdoors. Think of it as two buildings under one continuous roofline with an outdoor corridor running between them. Why is this design genius? The breezeway creates natural cross-ventilation that keeps your home cooler in summer without air conditioning. Back before HVAC systems existed, people used this design to separate the hot cooking area from sleeping quarters. Today, we've reimagined it for modern living with one side housing your main living space and the other side serving as guest quarters, home office, workshop, or entertainment area. The breezeway itself becomes premium outdoor living space. You can add a wood-burning fireplace, outdoor kitchen, glass garage doors that open fully, or skylights. Some owners install sliding barn doors to close off the breezeway for privacy and security. The design is incredibly flexible and perfect for families who want separation between spaces. Adding the car garage component. Now here's where it gets practical. Most Dogtrot Barndominiums integrate a 2-car or 3-car garage into one side of the structure. Popular configurations include placing the garage on the ground level of one section with bonus room or loft space above, or running the garage along the side of one living section. A typical layout might be 40 feet by 60 feet total with a 12-foot to 20-foot wide breezeway running through the center. On one side, you have your main home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths totaling about 1,800 square feet. On the other side, you have a 2-car garage at 24 feet by 24 feet, which is 576 square feet, plus an additional 600 square feet of workshop, guest suite, or home gym space. That gives you 2,400 square feet of living and working space, plus a proper garage. The garage integration is cost-effective because you're building everything under one roof system rather than constructing a detached garage separately. You save on foundation work, roofing materials, and labor. The off-grid solar power system. This is where the magic happens for cutting your electricity bills to zero. An off-grid solar power system means you're completely disconnected from the utility grid. You generate all your electricity from solar panels, store it in batteries, and never receive another electric bill. For a 2,400 square foot Dogtrot Barndominium with garage, your electricity needs will depend on your usage patterns. A typical home this size uses about 30 to 40 kilowatt hours per day. During summer with air conditioning running, you might peak at 50 kilowatt hours daily. In winter with electric heating, you could use 25 to 30 kilowatt hours daily. To power this off-grid, you need a solar system sized at 10 to 15 kilowatts of solar panels. That's about 25 to 40 solar panels, depending on panel wattage. You also need battery storage capacity of at least 30 to 50 kilowatt hours to store enough energy for nighttime use and cloudy days. Here's the 2026 pricing breakdown for a complete off-grid solar system. Solar panels at 12 kilowatts cost $18,000 to $24,000. Battery storage at 40 kilowatt hours costs $28,000 to $40,000. Inverters and charge controllers cost $8,000 to $12,000. Installation and electrical work costs $10,000 to $15,000. Total system cost runs $64,000 to $91,000 before the federal tax credit. Now here's the good news. The federal investment tax credit gives you 30% back on solar installations through 2032. That's $19,200 to $27,300 back in tax credits, bringing your net cost down to $44,800 to $63,700 for a complete off-grid system. Real cost breakdown for the complete build. Let me walk you through a real-world example of building a 2,400 square foot Dogtrot Barndominium with 2-car garage and off-grid solar in 2026. Building shell at 40 feet by 60 feet costs $45,000 to $72,000 for the complete metal building kit with assembly. Foundation and concrete slab costs $18,000 to $28,000. Main living side at 1,800 square feet finished costs $180,000 to $216,000 at $100 to $120 per square foot. This includes all interior finishes, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Garage and bonus side at 1,200 square feet costs $60,000 to $84,000. The garage space costs less to finish at $50 to $70 per square foot since it needs basic concrete, insulation, and garage doors rather than full living finishes. Breezeway construction with fireplace and finishes costs $8,000 to $15,000. Off-grid solar system net cost after tax credit is $44,800 to $63,700. Additional costs including permits, well, septic, driveway, and landscaping run $35,000 to $50,000. Total project cost comes to $390,800 to $528,700. That's approximately $163 to $220 per square foot for a turnkey off-grid Dogtrot Barndominium with garage. Compare this to a traditional home with separate garage and grid electricity at $250 to $350 per square foot, and you're saving $87,000 to $130,000 on the build. The money-saving breakdown. Now let's talk about the real savings from going off-grid. The average American household pays $140 to $180 per month in electricity bills. In a 2,400 square foot home with garage, you're likely paying $180 to $250 monthly, which is $2,160 to $3,000 per year. With off-grid solar, your electricity cost is zero. Over 20 years, that's $43,200 to $60,000 in savings. Your solar system cost after tax credit was $44,800 to $63,700. This means your payback period is approximately 15 to 18 years. After that, every year is pure savings. But here's what people don't calculate. Electricity rates increase an average of 3 to 4% annually. In 20 years, your monthly bill would likely be $300 to $450 per month instead of today's $180 to $250. When you factor in rate increases, your total 20-year savings jumps to $65,000 to $95,000. Plus, if you ever sell your home, the off-grid solar system significantly increases property value. Studies show homes with solar sell for $15,000 to $25,000 more on average, and off-grid capability in rural areas is a major selling point. Design advantages of the Dogtrot for solar. The Dogtrot design actually makes solar installation easier and more efficient. The dual gable roof structure provides two large, south-facing roof planes perfect for mounting solar panels. You can install panels on both roof sections, maximizing your solar capture. The breezeway provides natural cooling, which reduces your air conditioning load by 20 to 30% during summer months. Less AC usage means you need fewer solar panels and smaller battery storage, saving $8,000 to $15,000 on your solar system cost. The separation of living spaces also allows for zoned climate control. You can keep the main living area comfortable while letting the garage and workshop area stay warmer or cooler, further reducing energy consumption. Many owners use the breezeway as primary living space during spring and fall, eliminating heating and cooling costs entirely for months at a time. Real-world sizing example. Let me give you a practical example. A family of 4 living in a 2,400 square foot Dogtrot Barndominium with energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and mini-split heat pumps typically uses 35 kilowatt-hours daily in summer and 22 kilowatt-hours in winter. For this family, a 10 kilowatt solar array with 35 kilowatt-hours of battery storage works perfectly. The solar panels generate 40 to 50 kilowatt-hours on sunny days, enough to fully charge the batteries and run the home. On cloudy days, the battery bank provides power. The system costs approximately $55,000 installed, or $38,500 after the federal tax credit. At $200 monthly electric bills saved, this family breaks even in 16 years and saves $48,000 over 25 years when accounting for rising electricity rates. Plus, most quality solar panels and batteries last 25 to 30 years with minimal maintenance. Critical considerations. Let me be honest about the challenges. Off-grid living requires energy awareness. You can't run everything at once like on the grid. You need to manage your battery levels and adjust usage on cloudy days. This isn't difficult, but it requires attention. Battery replacement is a real cost. Most lithium batteries last 10 to 15 years before needing replacement. Budget $15,000 to $25,000 for battery replacement around year 12 to 15. However, battery technology is improving and prices are dropping 8 to 12% annually, so replacement costs will likely be lower than today's prices. Location matters significantly. You need good sun exposure for solar panels to work efficiently. If your property is heavily shaded, off-grid solar becomes much more expensive or impractical. You need at least 5 hours of good sunlight daily for optimal system performance. Permitting can be challenging in some areas. Not all counties allow off-grid homes, and some require grid connection even if you don't use it. Always check local building codes before purchasing land. Alternative approach: grid-tied with battery backup. If full off-grid feels too extreme, consider grid-tied solar with battery backup. You stay connected to the utility grid, but generate most of your power from solar. Excess power feeds back to the grid for credits. Your battery provides backup during outages. This system costs $35,000 to $55,000 installed, or $24,500 to $38,500 after tax credit. You still dramatically reduce electricity bills by 80 to 95% while maintaining grid connection for peace of mind. Many people start here and add more batteries later to go fully off-grid. A Dogtrot Barndominium with garage and off-grid solar represents one of the most intelligent housing investments you can make in 2026. You get unique architectural design with flexible living spaces, integrated garage under one roof, 0 monthly electricity bills, and long-term savings of $50,000 to $90,000 over 25 years. The total build cost of $390,000 to $528,000 is competitive with traditional construction while delivering energy independence and lower operating costs forever. Yes, the upfront solar investment is significant, but with 30% federal tax credits and electricity prices rising yearly, the math absolutely works. This is perfect for anyone building in rural areas, those wanting energy independence, families needing separated living spaces, or anyone tired of rising utility costs. The Dogtrot design provides natural cooling, the garage integration saves construction costs, and the solar system eliminates your largest monthly utility expense. If you're ready to build, start by researching local zoning, getting multiple quotes from barndominium builders and solar installers, visiting existing Dogtrot homes if possible, and calculating your specific energy needs based on your lifestyle. Have you considered going off-grid or building a Dogtrot Barndominium? Drop your questions in the comments below. If this breakdown was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest cost breakdowns on alternative housing and money-saving building strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.